Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to link Trust Wallet to Binance. Okay, you have two options right here. So the first one is buying crypto via Binance Connect and Trust Wallet. And the second option is by transferring assets or deposit withdrawal. Okay, so first option, buying crypto via Binance Connect and Trust Wallet. So let's just go ahead and open up Trust Wallet. And then in here, just go ahead and tap on fund. And Binance will be available. Okay, let's say you wanted to fund Bitcoin. All right, and as you can see here, Binance will automatically open. Just make sure that you have the Binance app on your phone. So just tap on OK, OK, OK. Enter the amount of Bitcoin that you'd like to transfer from Binance to Trust Wallet. Hit on confirm, and in no time you'll have the Bitcoin on your Trust Wallet. Okay. Now, the other option is by transferring assets. How do we do that? So from your Trust Wallet, right here, what we're going to do is just go ahead and select the option, send. Okay, make sure that you have the crypto right here. Okay, select the crypto or asset, then tap on send and just enter your Binance deposit address. So where to find the Binance deposit address? So for example, again, you wanted to send Bitcoin from Trust Wallet to Binance. So let's go ahead and open up Binance. Now go to your assets right here. Now go ahead and tap on add funds. Deposit crypto, and then again Bitcoin. Okay, select the chain, for example BSC or BEP20. Copy the address right here and go back to your Trust Wallet and just make sure that you select the same network as well. Okay, paste the address where it's needed, and once that's done, just follow simple prompts, and after that you'll be good to go as well. And there you have it. Those are two ways to link your Trust Wallet to Binance. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.